Here, just gonna swerve in and out. Look at this dude. Oh, this is not one over here. Well, this bike lane isn't bad. Ooh. Let's get you standing again. Yeah. I like it. Ooh, there she go. There she go. Hey, what's going on, guys? So you see the dump truck's out, but yeah, I'm on my way to the studio right now. I have a shoot today with Devin. It should be pretty cool. Definitely looking forward to shooting again. It's because it's been a minute. It's actually my first shoot since I got back from my work trip in Florida. The bike feels good today. It's definitely the best way to get around. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little brick today, but I'm not complaining though. The sun's out, I feel good. Let's go. Oh, that's a cool truck right there. Oh, that's dope. Yeah, I'm just super excited for the day. Bike lanes look kind of crazy right now. I might have to ride in the street. There's definitely a lot of salt out, so you definitely want to wipe down your bike once you're finished with it. Yeah, I'm thinking about taking Central Park to the studio because right now I don't feel like dealing with cars on the street. So that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. You know, right now I'm taking the sidewalk. And here's my entrance here. Here we go. People walking their dog. Nice chill day. Downhill part. Just hit 30 on that downhill. Look at this dude. In the bike lane right now. The bike lanes aren't too bad today. I thought they would be worse than they actually are, but they're not bad. We're in Times Square right now. Riding through. Devin has a great look that I'm gonna be able to get some nice portraits and some nice portrait shots, headshots. Amazing shots. This all up in the bike lane. Hey guys, just got to the studio. I'm about to go in and start up the shoot, so stay tuned. Alright, the shoot went good. I just wrapped up. Let me get you to check out the bike. You see it. Looking good today. You already know. She gonna get me back home. Yeah, let's do it. Nobody pays attention to the bike lane, so you gotta be super careful. I'm gonna make my way over to the Greenway. I believe if I'm going down, then I have to go this way. Yep. If I keep going this way, I'll hit the Greenway, and then I'll just take the bike lane all the way back home. See a lot of traffic here, just gonna swerve in and out, wait my time. And I definitely would recommend you guys getting an e-bike. Also, my promo code is down in the description. You can go get $100 off, a nice big discount to get yourself a nice Zooz bike. It's smooth, even though it doesn't have suspension. Not really bumpy. Not super bumpy, just super smooth. And just passing through traffic. You just gotta be seen. Make sure you're seen when you're riding your bike. But once you get over the initial fear of being in the street with cars, then it's pretty easy. Yeah, I love it. Yep, and hit this right. Am I veteran now? Alright, I'm just gonna gun it here. Battery's still good, battery's still 100%. Let me know what if you guys like seeing like me go inside for my photo shoots. You know, I was gonna definitely just do, you know, riding videos, but I kind of wanted it to be everything. You know, I know when I watch riding videos and they go in somewhere, I kind of want to see what it is. So yeah, let me know. because I got a lot of photo shoots coming up. Oh, I see a lot of black ice. This bike is zooming. Definitely a lot of black ice around. You get fucked up if you hit one of these corners. Police lurking. I ain't mad at it. That looks like a spot that you would need police. Let's floor it. $29 miles per hour. This thing is so nice. For the most part, the lanes are cleared up. There's little patches of snow, but not bad at all. This is like where the birds congregate. You can see in my first impressions video, it was literally the same spot that the birds were in. Y'all want to take this one? Nah. Yeah, I won't take that way. I'll actually go further down. People being productive, I can't get mad at it. Oh, I never knew there was tennis courts over there. Huh. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna cut through Riverside Park, and cut through that way. Oh, this is not one over here. Oh yeah, you'll get messed up over here. This isn't too bad, but over there, that was bad. Over here, I'm hoping it's not bad, because okay, they cleared it. Not too bad. They even cleared the leaves that were here too. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'll hit this corner, I'll be out the park. And I'll be by Columbia University. Turn up here. And this is where a lot of Columbia University students live. It was a nice day today. I'm kind of hyped right now. Kind of hyped to get to editing these photos. Honestly, once you get going, it's not that cold if you do some pedaling of your own. But if you don't pedal, then I could see it being super cold. All right, I'm out of here. Lane split, right? Actually, the bike lanes, I would say, are more dangerous than being in the actual street. Just like, look, you can see just all these obstacles in the bike lanes. Then you got to be worried about getting doored by cars. You got people who just don't even acknowledge the bike lane and just walk into the street. So now I'm starting to understand why people say they feel more comfortable in the street. Just because you never know. And now with the street being with it just snowing, the bike lanes aren't even shoveled or salted at points. So nah, I take my chances in the street more than a bike lane. Well, this bike lane isn't bad. Ooh. That was a close one. Like, why are you running in the street? But overall, good day. I can't complain. Dope shoot. Can't wait to show you guys the photos. Group ride was dope. Oh, Surrounds pulled off. I'll put the clip up here. I'll put a clip up here. I'll put one clip up here so you can kind of see. Also, the thing that sucked is that the volume kind of went out. Something happened with my GoPro where the volume was not playing for that ride. So let me know if you want to see that ride. And I could put like music over it, like a playlist, chill vibe playlist. And you know, you guys can rock out it while seeing it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.